Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some in-demand fall into winter hairstyles. So here we have a long to short transformation. That is a lot of hair. So she ends up getting this shoulder length bob style. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. And then we hop into another bob. Now this one features more of a traditional length. Beautiful volumized bob here with a cascading back. Hair's a little bit longer in the front. Gorgeous shape overall. Beautiful. So we move into another big chop transformation. Now she has long waist length hair. I'd say actually more like tailbone length. It's really long. Stylist cuts that hair right off. Bam, another gorgeous bob. She ends up going blonde. Beautiful dimension to the coloring. So pretty. I love the drama behind this makeover. Just such a nice hair change. And then next up we have someone, now she has a longer pixie, or what I like to call a pixie bob haircut. And she is doing a blowout here. This is going to give her a lot of volume. You can already see the bangs have that nice feathered texture there. And if you are looking to add some volume to your hair, this would be a great blow dryer tool to use. Just really adding that volume there, that height in the crown area. I love the overall shape that this cut has too. It's really cute. It does feature some bangs in the front. Oh, okay, so here we have another dramatic transformation. Now she has some super dark ends here with this two-tone color. And bam, the stylist does this gorgeous chocolate brown hue with the dimensional caramel highlights mix, and so pretty. Such a gorgeous color combination. And I really like this color for the fall season. I just think it's so pretty. So we move on to the next one. Now this is more of like a cut refresh. She has a bob and she's getting the hair kind of trimmed and shaped up. Gorgeous feathered bangs here. Very nice overall shape. So we move on to the next one. Now it looks like she is getting the hair cut into some layers here. Ooh, looks like she got some color done too. Wow. And you can instantly tell that those layers gave her that big hair that's trending right now. Definitely added some volume. And then we have someone else getting more of a layered hairstyle. Oh, so she didn't get layers. She got a nice mid-length cut. Oh, wow. I love the color here. So beautiful. I love that dimensional look. Another gorgeous mid-length haircut with the chocolate brown hair. And then we have a lob haircut transformation. Nice simple classic with the center part down the middle. Now, I was talking about this in yesterday's video. The color block trend kind of went away for a little bit, and it is definitely making a comeback. I'm seeing more and more of it on my timeline. It's just a great way to experiment with color, try something different. So pretty. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these fall hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.